Welcome back to Vapor Trades, and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to be giving you guys an important update on MicroStrategy ticker symbol MSTR. So as you can see, guys, from my projection, it is playing out really nicely. If you have been following the last few videos, I know a couple of you haven't been happy with my projections because they seem bearish, but of course, I do have my reasons for that, which I will explain in the next few minutes. But before I get into this video, smash that like button, hit that notification bell, and also subscribe for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. And if you haven't already, do make sure to join the Discord and the Telegram. As you can see, we have trades every single day. And Skip has been killing it recently with his Bitcoin trades. So do make sure to join and get involved. I do feel like the next few months will be very, very big for the markets, and we are due to print throughout this year. So guys, let's get straight into it. Let's talk about MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR. So if you have been following my last few videos, I did tell you guys if MicroStrategy failed to flip this level here at around 350, it was not going higher. I know I got a couple of dislikes on my previous videos, as I did mention 240 to 220 as a downside target. So as you can see from this level here, we're down around 100 plus points on MicroStrategy. So it has been playing out well, my projection. Of course, I do feel like it should bottom out soon. So what am I looking for next for MicroStrategy? So essentially, I've mentioned to you guys that my downside target is around 220 to $200, which is confluent with the Bitcoin price action right now. So if you go on the weekly here, you can see why. So essentially, we're coming into this weekly support here on the EMA cloud, okay? But the fact that we're still knifing down shows that there's no immediate sign of reversal just yet, although we're up around 2 points pre-market. It doesn't really mean anything at the moment. What needs to happen now is for Bitcoin to find a nice solid base for us to have confidence that this is the complete bottom for MicroStrategy. However, I do feel like we could tag this level here at 229 as seen before here. And around August, once we tag that, you can see MicroStrategy went from $100 to $540. So a nice 5x move right there from that bottom here. And I do feel like we might see similar here. So essentially, what I'm looking for is for us to tag this level here. So if I do something like that at 220, 200, and then we can continue upwards to around, as I mentioned, $700. So around here will be the next target at around $700. And I've also mentioned the next target of $900, and then $1,100. That's essentially what I'm looking for MicroStrategy from a technical perspective. So if you have been following me, you know this is an okay time to start scaling in, because another 10 to 20% drop won't be as significant if the stock is going to rise 3, 4, 5x from here. So you don't really want to be faffing around with another 10 to 20% drop. You just want to dollar cost average your entry, because we don't know what's going to happen with Bitcoin yet. Of course, as you can see, it has been consolidating around this area here at around 85 to 87K. So it can potentially put in a bottom in the next few days, which is what we're hoping for. So if so, I feel like MicroStrategy should put in a bottom in the next few days as well, and then we should continue the move upwards. So it's not a bad place at all to start dollar cost averaging your entries. So again, guys, 220 to 200 is my bottom for MicroStrategy. And recent news on MicroStrategy. So it says MicroStrategy stock down 16% year to date amid Bitcoin routes. So shares of strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, are down approximately 16% in the year to date amid Bitcoin's ongoing correction. The stock's abrupt sell-off foregrounds long-standing questions about the sustainability of its Bitcoin buying spree. On 25th February, Bitcoin's price dropped around 4% to around 88,000. The company's strategy is largely contingent on the ability to raise additional capital backed by its growing Bitcoin treasury. Dr. Bessie Letter, a market analyst firm, said in a February 25th post on the X platform. In a situation where the liabilities were significantly higher, then the asset ability could deteriorate, they said. However, the stock analysts remain bullish on MicroStrategy's prospects for a rebound. On February 6th, analysts at Benchmark, a stock researcher, raised MicroStrategy's price target to $650, citing confidence that strategy will continue to aggressively raise capital to fuel its Bitcoin acquisition strategy during the balance of the year, according to a research note shared with Cointelegraph. So, guys, this comes into line with our target as well at around $700. So, that will be a nice 3x from current levels. Okay, a nice 2.5x to 3x from current levels. So that's essentially what we're looking for, and I do believe we can hit those targets in the next few months, and we'll see what 2026 gives as well. So guys, again, if you did enjoy this video, do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates, and I'll catch you all in the next video.